When we were looking at getting into BIM, we looked at the various packages out there and we got the architects and designers in the office to test the various packages, and we found Archicad was just more user-friendly in terms of design. It wasn't so heavy in terms of loading information as you needed to go through the design process. So it worked well for the designers, and they tended to be able to move more freely and quicker through that conceptual stage and into the documentation.
In Cape Town, we have about 25 staff. About 20 of them are designers and technical teams on Archicad. And in Durban, our satellite office, we actually have another 6 Archicad users there as well. So our interaction is actually that we are one office with the use of BIM Cloud. So you always have staff available, or you have resources that you can assign no matter where the location is.
So key challenges as a firm at the moment is communication. And it's always been an issue in this profession between ourselves and the contractor, and ourselves and the other consultants that we work with as a team. BIMX for me has really bridged that gap quite a bit.
Our correspondent on site can immediately check on his BIMX model, actually highlight the portion of work that's in discussion, send it back to us, and we will receive it directly on our workstations as we are working in the model in live time.
You shouldn't be scared of the leap to Archicad. Archicad's got a lot of benefits to the software, especially the upfront conceptual stage stuff. And I think it's exciting to use a software that's so interlinked to architecture, and it bridges the gap between your office environment and what's actually been built on site.
We want to make sure that BIM is live on site and in the office, and that everybody's on the same platform and can see exactly what's going on in real time.
So I was right there with Craig, flagged the issue, sketched onto the model on the phone, and it's sent from there straight to the team. It feels like one office. I mean, you're working on one file. It's definitely helps with the team effort, yeah.
We feel that time is money, and at the moment, Archicad is definitely saving us time.